So I pull out this brother right here. And look what I see when I pull up around here. Little GTI right here looking nice. Okay, we got a little Civic and thing. Okay. We got the man over here about to do some work. Is it safe to go inside? You can at least release the parking brake, you know. See? Same thing I was cussing wifey about, and the man gonna do the same thing. It's alright, keep going.
What did I do? Can you tell me what I did?
Don't worry about it. We all heard it.
You ain't hear nothing.
I don't have to tell you. I hear very well.
Listen, your name is not their number. Not because you do one thing, you get like that one.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the life, come alive, yes sir. Ay, me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. Ay, we outside.
Everybody claim your car is too low, but they just don't know how to do it.
You want style up? I just always like style out. You don't like functionality.
The car functions very well.
According to who?
To me,
Which one of your mechanics are you asking?
it works very well. We drive on the road. That's one side. Yep, bring that down. There you go. Jesus Christ.
Baddest, I'm telling all your YouTube family right now. Start paying you more for this.
Alright.
Look, you ain't get gas money, you get food.
M, Audi, AMG. Where's the Volkswagen one?
Huh?
Where's the Volkswagen one?
Okay.
I get this because you Audi. Alright, I'll let you slide with that. I'll let you slide with that.
Yo, look. BMW, Volkswagen, Audi. And I don't work on beds, but we just like style off like you.
I got you.
Now my boss got like 4 Benzes.
Simple oil change turns into a mission, but we don't mind.
What is it? Low lifestyle?
No. Not every shop is equipped, but at least you know with Chris, he's making it work.
Well, if I don't make it work, no one else will.
Man, that shit's rattling even more. Go ahead.
Your old control is a little bit easier. I used to meet it.
All right, people, don't mind me. He's over there working. I should be working too, but snack break. Now this video is
on break the whole time.
so this video is continuing from the previous video. Yeah,
Right,
when we was doing Chris's car, but
you
now
wanna
we're
do it
doing
right
mine's. That's totally fine. I'm not too particular, as long as you know we're representing the Toys for Tots, you know. So I'm gonna finish up my little cake, then I'm gonna get to work or help assist.
Bodies need Jesus.
Well, nah, but I want it to be hot.
Boss man.
Go over there, look and see what he's looking at.
It's you buy it.
If it's good, come back if it's good. You don't gotta show me.
It's the same angle.
All right, great, wonderful. Whatever works. There was recording, we got the battery.
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
It just, by the same way, I want to see him pretty face, so I just angle a little bit better.
All right, cool.
And
So I got no crumbs on my face. But let's go.
all right, well, take two.
Like I said, we feel like professionals. We did it 2 times before. Oh,
That is the argument. Right.
did it a few times before.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the live, come alive, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside. Titan up the whole place, nice coming. Buzzing.
People, when Mr. D Bodies finally works on his own car. Yo, Badiss said he didn't like the way I did mine, so he did his better. But not the front. The red looked real nice on your car. The red looks nice.
These are the little guys on the snowflakes. Got green gingerbread man. I'm gonna use these candy canes. See?
Oh yeah, the Rudolph face nice.
Santa face. There you go.
Hmm?
Santa
Yeah, we wrap both of our cars with the Toys for Tots. Mine is in the back, his is in the front.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got a present. The present nice.
Yeah. They got green and yellow.
See that I would have liked. That I should have put on the gas tank. Be like, oh, it's a present. They come every couple of days. It's nice,
Yeah, a couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the live, come alive, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside. Titan up the whole place, nice coming. Buzzing. Y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet, come me buzzing. People are watch all listen, and the blind and deaf, no me buzzing. Them have to pay me attention, cash and check, come me buzzing. Me have the sauce on the back. If them a run bird, me a run yak. Girl want Titan kind hot. That means she will take butter. Them have to pay me respect plus tax. Talk cheap on the money for your chat. Brain enough to shop if you want job. You have to learn the game, listen now watch guys. Blue, one first class, everything has last. Them a garbage, them figure in the trash. Them on the go on like said them bad. But that a joke, so me have to laugh. That's when the boy, the partner ass. The girl, them saying full as swag. Make them wet, drip and splash. When the bus, you feel the blast. Sky buzzing. Y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet. Come me buzzing. People are watch all listen, and the blind and deaf, you know me buzzing. Them have to pay me attention, cash and check. Come me buzzing. Yo, me are the coolest man on the map. Me are the coolest man on the map. Me have the style where everybody wanna watch. Me are the coolest man on the map. Me are the coolest man on the map. Me are the coolest man on the map. Me have the buzz, the girl, them money pot. Me are the coolest man on it. Man on it, map. Become a global. The song them trending, them so shot.